Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Steam Invalid Platform Install error.
Fix 1. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Click the game properties. Step 2. Go to Local Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Wait for the process to finish. Restart the game. Fix 2. Reinstall the game. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Click the game. Uninstall. Step 2. After uninstalling, click Install. Choose the correct drive. Install. Fix 3. Update Steam and Windows. Step 1. Open Steam menu. Click Check for Steam client updates. Step 2. Update Windows. Press Windows plus I update and security. Check for updates. Install. Step 3. Restart PC. Launch Steam. Fix 4. Run Steam as administrator. Step 1. Close Steam. Click Steam shortcut. Run as administrator. Step 2. Try launching the game again.